Meet the future of play, kids building smart helper robots. Watch how a simple hand wave makes a robot light up.
Imagine a helper robot at home.
Looks
All they
good.
need is a laptop and a beginner-friendly robot kit.
Yeah, good job. I made this for you, Daddy.
Oh, that's beautiful. We love it, honey.
It all starts with a few wheels and sensors. Coding is now colorful, simple, and fun for kids.
Go.
We record voice commands like go and stop.
Stop.
The robot responds instantly. Kids can't stop smiling.
Why robotics matters for kids.
Why robotics? Because it builds creativity and problem solving. Sometimes things go wrong, but that's part of the learning.
And then we're going to fold it just like this.
Guidance helps kids turn mistakes into breakthroughs. Meet Sphero, one of many beginner-friendly robots. This one avoids obstacles all by itself. I turns coding into magic for young minds.
No lab needed, just simple tools.
No tech lab? No problem. Start right at home. Lego spike pieces make it easy to build moving robots. Connect your phone or tablet to bring it to life. Now add gestures and control it with your hands. Google's Teachable Machine makes AI training simple. Kids teach the AI with pictures of their own hands. Hold up your hand and the robot knows what to do.
Yeah.
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 That high five means I built this. Watch it pick up small items like a tiny helper. Give it personality. Stickers, colors, even sounds. Kids love racing their robots with friends. They can drop hats and watch the robot follow.
From fun to real skills.
Robotics teaches logic and creative thinking. Problem solving, coding, and design in one activity.
Watch this, Grandma. He can dance.
Oh, that's amazing.
Hey.
Look at him go.
Robots can even react to claps or whistles. Smile, the robot lights up right back.
Great job.
Oh, you did it.
Snack time? Let the robot deliver.
Endless possibilities. Endless fun.
There are endless ways to create and play.
I was thinking we could draw a giant light bulb.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Remember, you are the inventor of your world.
You are the inventor. What robot would you build?
Tell us in the comments, what robot would you build? The joy on their faces says it all.
The future is already in your living room. What kind of robot would your child build? Tell us.
Subscribe for more STEM fun.